Alright, I've been using the Shark Detect Clean and Empty Auto Empty system, and I have some thoughts. It's got some great features that make cleaning easier, but also a few frustrating things you need to know before buying. So let's get into it. The good stuff first, it's lightweight and easy to use. It's great for quick cleanups and does a solid job on all surfaces, carpet, hardwood, tile, you name it. The automatic surface detection is nice. It adjusts suction when moving between hard floors and carpets, so you don't have to switch settings manually. The self-emptying base is one of its best features. You just dock the vacuum, and it automatically sucks up all the debris into the base, which holds about 30 days worth of dirt. But you don't have to use the self-empty base. If you want, you can manually empty the dustbin yourself straight into the garbage or even remove it for cleaning. And here's something important. The battery is removable. So if you want to extend the runtime, you can buy extra batteries, keep them charged, and swap them out as needed. Also, the self-empty base isn't just for emptying dust. It's also a storage station for the vacuum, charges the vacuum, and keeps everything in one place. You can mix and match the attachments to fit different cleaning styles too. If you don't want to use the stick, you can connect the suction part directly to the base, which is great for handheld cleaning. And if it gets clogged, the roller brush is removable, so you can clean or replace it easily. Now, the not so great stuff. First, let's talk about the battery life. On the highest setting, you're looking at maybe 10 to 15 minutes of runtime. If you have a big house, this isn't going to cut it unless you have extra batteries. It also clogs easily. If you vacuum up too much hair, dust, or larger debris at once, you might have to stop and unclog it. The dustbin lid on the vacuum itself is also a problem. It's not secure. If you tilt it the wrong way or place it on the charger too hard, the lid pops open and dust falls out everywhere. And one of the most annoying things, it doesn't stand up on its own. You have to lean it against a wall or strategically balance it, which is just inconvenient. Final thoughts, should you buy it? So overall, the Shark Detect Pro is a great vacuum for quick cleanups and smaller spaces. It's lightweight, easy to use, and has a self-emptying base that makes cleaning way less of a hassle. The removable battery and HEPA filter are both nice features that add convenience and better air filtration. But the short battery life, easy clogging, and the dustbin door issue might make it frustrating if you're looking for a full vacuum replacement. If you want something for quick messes, pet hair, or as a replacement for a broom, it's a solid choice. But if you need long battery life, deep cleaning power, or something that stands up on its own, you might want to look at other options. So, what do you think? Would this vacuum work for you? Let me know in the comments.